Hi students, welcome to our chemistry class. Now, I am discussing about the mechanism of ether reacting with the concentrated and dilute HI. Up to this product formation is reaction with the cold and dilute HI. If 1 mole extra HI I am using here, then this O will take the H, already H is there, and this H, that is formed H and plus, and this will be I minus along with this I minus. Now, this I minus will attach to this one, and this is eliminate like this. Then we will get CH3, CH2, I. This is H2O element because OH is not good leaving group here. That will be made into good leaving group as an H2. Then here, again we got this one. I. That's why when concentrated is given, we don't have any problem because both sides will give the I type. When we get the problem? We will get the problem when cold and dilute were given. So which side should be I, which side should be OH form? That is difficult to understand. So that both also will remove your confusion, but keep in mind. Sometimes this is primary also, secondary also, tertiary also, methyl group also. Then when it will undergo SN, here also is SN2 reaction. When it will undergo SN2 reaction, when it will undergo SN1 reaction, because substitution, because I minus is substituting here. It means I minus is good nucleophile, but not good base. So this I minus substitute based on the maybe SN2 reaction also or SN1 reaction also. Then we have to remove that confusion when it will undergo SN1, when it undergo SN. That's why I will use one shortcut. We have to remember when tertiary group is there, always it undergo SN1. Remaining primary, secondary is it undergo SN. But sometimes SN also possible like this. PHO CH2 pH. Nothing but what is it? This is pH number very here. O CH2 like this meaning. This is called benzyl. This is phenyl. When benzyl phenyl is at that time also it undergo SN1 reaction. Because in SN1 reaction, a stable carbocation formation is there. That may be secondary tertiary carbocation or benzyl carbocation or allyl carbocation. Like this formation will be there. When stable carbocation formation condition is there, that undergo SN1. Unstable carbocation formation condition is there, that undergo SN. That's why very simple. Any one of the side, this is an oxygen. Left side R, right side R. This is R and this is R dash. Any one of the side, left side or right side, any one of the side, tertiary group is there or this benzyl group is there, that undergo which type of reaction? SN1. Any one of the side, at least one tertiary group is there or at least one benzyl group is there that will undergo SN1 reaction. Very simplest to remember. Tertiary group is there SN1. No tertiary, only primary, secondary is there that undergo SN. Otherwise, if you want confusion, it may be confusing. What type of positive is there? RBB. Methyl is RBB. Methyl. Then which type of reaction undergo it is? SN. It may be methyl. Then it may be primary. Or it may be primary. It may be methyl. Then which type of reaction can undergo? SN2. Next, it may be primary. It may be primary. Then again it undergo which type of reaction? SN2. It may be primary, it may be secondary. Again it undergo which one? SN2. Like if you have discussed. Otherwise, in the sequence also, somebody will confuse that sequence also to remove a confusion. We will write the methyl. Methyl. How many times? 3-4 times more. Methyl maybe, or methyl primary maybe, methyl secondary maybe, methyl tertiary maybe. Now like this other easy according to mathematics, easy to arrangement that. So now probability of that arrangement Methyl also methyl react, methyl primary, methyl secondary, methyl tertiary. Now you have to decide which will undergo SN1, which will undergo SN2. Up to here, which one? SN2. Any one of the tertiary group is there that undergo SN1. That's why these are SN2, this is SN1. Then I am giving a homework for you. Then what can I write next left side? Primary. Primary react with the methyl, but methyl already completed. That combination, permutation combination, you will know that. Like this, you have to arrange it. So now here primary, then what you have to write? Methyl. That combination already completed. Next, what you have to write? Primary, secondary, tertiary. Total how many combinations we got now? 3. Actually 4, but one combination already completed. Then in this 3, which will be undergo SN2, which will undergo SN1, one only SN1, because primary and tertiary is there. Tertiary group appear with SN1. Primary, secondary appear with SN. Next combination what is that? Secondary methyl, secondary primary, secondary tertiary. But secondary methyl completed. And in this also next secondary primary also completed. How many combinations possible? 1. Got the point? So that combination is which one? SN2 or SN1? SN1 only, because any one of the side tertiary group is there, that is compulsory SN1. This is simplest way to remember. This is not possible, only one. Tertiary group appear SN1. Simple. Okay, now we will discuss mechanism what I completed. If like this may be given, then that mechanism also we will discuss now. CH3, CH3, OCH3. Which combination that is? Methyl tertiary combination. This is methyl, this is tertiary combination. So now we react with the HI. Then what will happen? Then we will take the CH3, CH3, CH3O, CH3, and here H here plus. Here lone pair is there, that will be take here, and this minus. So we have here I minus. Now, this I minus will be attacked to which side? Already I told you that according to this mechanism, smaller group will get the I, larger group will get the H. But here reverse. Why it is reverse means? Think. If it is undergo SN1 reaction, here SN2 not possible because it forms a tertiary crossover diagram. When bulky group is there is no SN2. Which type of reaction possible? SN1. That's why in this reaction it forms, this is the first step, this is the second step. Second step is the RDS, you know that rate determinism slow step carbocation formation. Then here CH3, CH3, CH3 plus and CH3OH. Now this I minus will attack on this one. Then we will get CH3, CH3, CH3I. Then got the point here? When we will get the I, if SN2 reaction is there, that I is attacked which one? Smaller group. When SN1 is there, the tertiary group only will get the I or BR. If I am discussing always HI1, same explanation for HBr also. Okay? So now, two things here happen. One thing is, when SN2 is there, I will be attacked on smaller group. When SN1 is there, I will be attacked on which one? Tertiary or benzyne. Because benzyne also will go under SN1. This is the condition. Fix it. Now we will discuss the number of examples. Now, in ether preparation from alcohol react with the concentrated H2SO4. Ether preparation from alcohol with the concentrated H2SO4 or Al2O3 at lower temperature. That time, primary alcohol leads to formation of ether by SN2 mechanism. If secondary tertiary is there, that leads to elimination. Okay, that is called dehydration reaction. In that, SN and E. It means elimination is there, substitution is there. Elimination is major than the substitution because it is based on the thermodynamic factor, entropy factor. In next Williamson synthesis also. In Williamson synthesis, one is alkoxide hydrogen, one is alkyl hydrogen. Alkyl hydrogen primarily gives the ether. Secondary tertiary is there that gives the alkyl is a major product. Because alkoxide is a good nucleophile also, good base also. That's why elimination leads to major product when secondary tertiary is there. But in this reaction, there is no elimination. We are discussing only SN to SN1 only. Reason? I minus and Br minus are only good nucleophile but not good base. You know the reason already. Hi is strong acid, HBr is a strong acid. Strong acid gives weak conjugate base. Because these are conjugate acid base pair. You will study the ionic equilibrium. If Hi is the acid, then its conjugate base with what is the I minus. This is acid. This is a conjugate base, Cb, conjugate base. So very weak base. Weak bases do not remove the proton. That's why here there is no elimination reaction, only substitution reaction. That's why SN1 are made SN. Okay, already the SN1 SN2 part completed. Now I will discuss about the few reactions. Then I want to discuss for your removing confusion. I will write first concentrated or odd concentrated HI condition or HBr condition. Anyone, whatever you want, that you can utilize now. Now the simple one I will take here. CH3 O CH3 react with this condition. I will not write all this condition, all this one only. And heat similar to the given condition. When concentrated is there is no confusion for this. Both sides should be I, water molecule element. See, CH3I. Here H, how many times we are using in method? 2 times. HI, how many times we are using? 2 times. 2 times here, how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen on oxygen. H2 element, we can observe the mechanism. Then here CH3I plus H2. Here also I, here also I, and water molecule element. No confusion. Very easy. CH3 and which type of mechanism this is? SN2, because both are methyl ether. Now I am changing the one is primary group, that is ethyl, another is methyl group. Same condition. Then both are primary methyl ether in which type of reaction? SN2. Then I will get here SN2, no problem. Then CH3, CH2I, then CH3I and H2 element. When concentrated is given, there is no problem. Now, CH3, CH2, O. Now I am changing this primary, another is secondary. Okay? Then secondary, consider CH, CH3, CH3. This carbon bond with 2 other carbon, secondary carbon. This is primary. Then same conditions here. Primary, secondary is also which type of reaction is SN2. That's why here SN2 only. Then both sides will be get the which one? CH3, CH2I plus CH3, CH3I plus water molecule. Easy. Now the condition CH3, CH2 and O. Now the condition is CH3, CH3, CH. This is which one? Tertiary. And when any one of the group is tertiary, that will undergo which type of reaction? SN1, SN1. Now the condition. Anyway, this is the excess condition. What happens? CH3, CH2O. Sorry, O. I. CH3, CH3, CH3. Because excess condition, both sides should be I added. Okay? But one exception I will take here, then we will confuse you. What type of arrangement? This is benzene, O, and this will be CH3 condition. number of times this is asked question. This question. And this is asked. Now say methyl. This is not benzyl. This is which one? Phenyl. Keep in mind. Benzyl is that SN1. Here it is phenyl only. Any one of the two texture is there? No. No mean which type of reagent this is? SN2. SN2. Now I am using this condition here. Concentrate. Then what you will feel both sides should be I here. That is in your mind. So whatever in your mind, that will be I will write here. Like this. You are expecting. But this is wrong. So now you only know that both sides are right. But again you are only telling that this is wrong. How it is wrong? Just we'll answer. Same condition, there is SN2AH. You already studied in SN1, SN2, even AE2 also. This bond break is difficult. Reason it has resonance with this, and if you take the double bonds like this, then this will become like this also. When resonance is formed, then here this bond and this bond formed. Then which bond it is? Double bond character. Due to this double bond character, that bond breaking is difficult. That's why keep in mind, when phenyl group is bonded to this oxygen, there is no bond breaking. No bond breaking. Then which side bond breaking? Right side only. This side only bond breaking possible. This side bond breaking not possible. Reason? Partial double bond character. So now compulsory there is excess also. Here I is not found, only H. And this will be CH3I. That's why if you take concentrated also or diluted also, product is same here. Because diluting what is that? One side H, one side I. Concentrated what is that? Both side I. But both side I not possible here. Reason bond breaking is difficult. That's in this condition, concentrated also take or diluted also take same product. Got the concept? Now one more example. Now you may be answered here. Benzyl group is there. Which type of reaction? SN1. So it leads to same condition SN1. Now bond breaking left side possible. Already I told you that when benzene is bonded to oxygen, that bond breaking is not possible because here partial double bond character. Left side is not possible. Then which side possible? Here benzene is not directly bonded to the oxygen. In between one CH2 group is there. So this bond breaking is possible. If this bond break, then it forms which type of carbocation? Benzyl carbocation. Benzyl carbocation is more resonant stabilizer. That's why we will get here OH and here ICH2 like this. Then keep in mind, if you use concentrated condition also or diluted, it's the same product. Reason? This side no bond breaking. When one side only bond breaking, cold also dilute also concentrated also same product. When both side bond breaking is possible, that time only we will get both side I. One side only bond breaking means one side I, one side OH. Clear this is? So one more example here. This is phenyl, phenyl. Now both conditions, dilute also consider or concentrated also consider. Then what is the product form with the HI or HBr? Already told you that when phenyl group C6H5 bonded to the oxygen, there is no bond breaking. This is nothing but the benzene only. So both sides benzene is there. Bond breaking possible? No with no reaction. That's why have no reaction. Like this also possible. In examination they may ask which of the following is not possible reaction with the HI. Like this also not possible. One more example. Because like so many possibilities are there. So one more is phenyl like this. This is used for bicycle compound. two cyclic groups are like this, bicyclo compound. In bicyclo compound, these are bridgehead carbon. These two are bridgehead carbon. When these are two bridgehead carbon, when it is eliminated, the formed carbocation is planar. But generally at bridgehead carbon, planarity is not possible. If SN2 also, if SN1 also. In SN2 one transition state form, you may be remember in SN2 reaction. In SN1 compulsory carbocation form. So the transition state of this carbocation existing planar. So that planar is not possible at bridgehead carbon. So at bridgehead carbon planar is missing. That's why bridgehead with any alkyl halide or this type of reaction is there. There is no reaction. So here also no reaction. Reason this O pH O1 also breaking difficult. This O bridgehead carbon also breaking difficult. This is also not possible. Now we will take one more example. That is PHO CH double bond CH. If like this is there. This is which type of bond? Vinylic bond. Vinyl also do not react. You may know that. So it is also having the partial, what you call, resonance, partial double bond character formation here. So this side also not break. This side also not break. And here also no reaction. That may be any one. Concentrated also, dilute also. These are the three conditions. From where onwards? From here onwards. All are constant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these reactions are both mixed reactions. Concentrated condition also, dilute condition also. Clear this is? So one I will give one more reaction you have to answer. Now, then you may think that how lecture is remembering so many examples. Nothing I am remembering here. One or two times changing here. One time methyl, one time methyl, one time. What do you call it? How many groups are registered in the haloalkane chapter? Methyl, ethyl, that is primary, secondary, tertiary, benzyl, allyl, vinyl, like all that we are doing here. So this is not difficult to remember. We know that ether, middle oxygen, left side, right side should be alkyl group. Whatever alkyl you can add, we know that their reactivity, primary, secondary, SN2, tertiary SN1, benzyl is SN1, and remaining bond length is difficult because of this resonance. Everything we know. Just we have to write their combinations. Now, like here, ether this is not ether, this is benzene. Here ether. Now the condition is given here HI. Now I am not writing here concentrate also, dilute also. There is no word here. Just I given by this only. Then what we have to consider? Sir, like this, you told them concentrated and dilute word. That's why we understand. But in example, nothing given. HI is only given. Concentrated word also not given. Dilute word also not given. Then how to answer? Unless until given in the question, you have to remember that the reaction with the concentrated. That is also very important. HI concentrated word not given, dilute word not given. Then which one you have to consider? Concentrated only you have to consider. Okay? So now, O bonded to which side? Bonded directly to benzene. This side bond breaking possible? No. This side bond breaking not possible because this is bonded to which one? Benzene. But this is not bonded to benzene. Middle so many CH2 groups are there. That's why this one side bond breaking possible, and we will get the product is OH 1, 2, 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3, and this will be this here bond breaking possible. Then O and H, OH already this I will be here. 1, 2, 3 carbons, and here I. Like this. So many possible variations are given, but try to remember that is the your way and how you are understanding that is very important. All combinations are given. Keep in mind what are the combinations are given. Methyl ethyl combination are given. Methyl ethyl combination also given. That is primary, secondary, and primary and tertiary also given. All, that is vinyl-phenyl combination given and bicyclo combination are given. Every type of combination are given. Now, dilute respectively not discussed, but in this I covered. So, with this reaction, if you want some more reactions, I will discuss. Which is the dilute for example. Now we will discuss about some cold type dilute or HBr. Anyone can do. So before already I discussed with the HI. So for change purpose I will write HBr. Both reactions are same. Don't worry about it. For example, this is a CH3O and CH2. CH3 is already we discussed. Same this condition. Now, according to the cold and dilute, it is smaller we get the I, larger we get the H. Then which is smaller in this smaller group? Then we will get here CH3 Br, because I am taking Br now, and CH3 CH2. CH3 CH2 H, because there is no 1 mole HBr or HI we are using. 1 mole only we are using that. Like this. Now one more example, CH3O, CH double bond CH2. Now I will give the product answer. CH3Br plus, this is also form, and CH2 double bond CHOH. Second one, this is, and sorry, this side is CH3OH. And here I, CH double bond CH2, C, CH3 Br